I am exhausted.
Woof.
Good morning. It's like 10 a.m. I think, or like 10:30. I'm actually not sure. Doing my hair. I have kind of a busy week ahead. I forgot to vote early, so I have to vote tomorrow at like 7 a.m. I'm seeing Batman on Wednesday. That's kind of it. I have to read like half a book today because I didn't over the weekend. Yeah, I have some homework to do today. I'm kind of busy today because I procrastinate all weekend, you guys. I do my hair every Monday. Usually what I do, I listen to an audiobook. The audiobook I'm currently listening to is Where the Crawdads Sing. I think that's what it's called. I heard it was good. It's okay. I think it would make a good movie. It's like 12 noon. So I'm making a to-do list. I love having just like notebooks that I just write everything in. So today is Monday. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, I want to do a little bit of laundry. My hamper is filling up. I hate doing laundry. Everyone hates doing laundry. Actually, I don't really hate doing laundry that much because I'm like, it's either like do laundry or have my hamper fill up. And like, I don't fold my clothes. And I do small loads. I have to read this book, not the whole thing. Every weekend, you guys, I'm like, I'm gonna get ahead and do all this stuff. And then I procrastinate. This weekend I watched Atypical. The last season wasn't as good because I forgot what even was happening. And I don't know. I have to do for my African American Studies course, Ebonics. It's like a select topics. And the course is Ebonics. I have to do a reading. I don't think it is due tomorrow, so I have to do that reading. What else do I have to do today? For my magic and the occult course, which is like a religion class, an elective, every Monday or Tuesday I have like an assignment due. But this week it's like a creative thing. I'm not sure. So I'm doing lots of reading. I need to pick out my outfit for tomorrow. Actually, I don't hate laundry that much. Most of my stuff I hang dry, like knits and underwear. I hang dry. It's like I literally hang dry like everything. Just because in jeans, it's just better. You guys, any plant lovers, please, I need your help. This plant I've had for, I want to say a year. It has not grown a single inch. I know it doesn't need like too much light, so that's fine. I think my windows are literally like north. Nothing's happened. I thought maybe I need to replace the soil. I think also I'm maybe not watering it enough. Please help. It's not like dying. It just won't grow. I'm about to go to the mall. I want to look around. I know I'm like busy, but like I might as well look around. Hi, I'm at the mall. I wanted to show off. I got these pink face masks. However, they're too big, so I have to fold them in. I'm so excited. I used to like literally all the time go to the mall on like weekdays when I lived by myself because I'd be so lonely. So yeah, this feels like that. Like I feel like I'm just gonna like walk into stores and try stuff on. I mean, although like that mall was so much smaller with so many less stores and like the worst stores ever. So yeah. Haul time. Obviously I got soap and sanitizer. I got so much soap. And I have this soap now and it's in this like cute design, but I got like this other one, peach and prosecco macaron. Oh my god, I forgot I wanted to get macarons. I love this cute little self-care day when I should be reading. I got this laptop stand. I've been trying to get a laptop stand and I said, well, the store Typo at the mall has one. Is this pink or purple? I can't tell. I was like, when am I gonna come to the mall? And so I was like, I might as well. Then I went to Forever 21. I got this cute top. I literally think I'm gonna wear it with my gingham pants that I'm wearing right now. So cute. And my like little Jeffrey Campbell, I almost said Jeffree Star, my Jeffrey Campbell little purple shoes. Cause I didn't try it on, I just went like, that'd be cute. Then I got this tank top. It's just like a plain green tank top because I need to wear it under that shirt that I got. Not necessarily that's all I got it for, because like, yeah, I have another like green mesh top. Anyway, so that's what I got. This was fun. Okay, I have been needing this, as you could tell. It's a different purple than like my phone stand purple, than like my wall purple, but it's, so it turns into this. Oh shoot. Good morning, you guys. Oh, hold on. Good morning, you guys. I'm going to vote. It's like 7:20. I woke up at 6:30 and I was like, maybe I should get in the shower now, and so I could start getting ready. And I was like, no, that's too early. I'll be early again. Forgot how long my morning routine takes. But I'll do a voting fit check. The weather's so beautiful today, or at least right now. It's cold and very sunny, as you could see. And my favorite weather is when it's sunny, clear blue skies, which it's almost clear blue skies, and a little chilly. I literally think I told my photo class that, because I took like these photos when it was that specific weather. It was like 60 something. It reminds me of being a kid, back when the weather was always like this. It was, oh, look at that blue, so gorge, so gorge. Good morning, you guys. I feel like a Muppet with my purple tights, but I love them. I'm so happy I finally get to wear them, and they're seen instead of me wearing them under my pants. Telling everyone, look at my tights, this is my favorite color. It's a beautiful day. Hi, you guys. I'm really tired. The girl who sits by me in class, in my last class, was not there, and we usually walk to the parking lot together, so I'm super lonely right now. Look at the sun. Oh my god, this could be a thumbnail. I'm so sorry for the sound of the AC. My legs are hurting me so much. Like restless legs. Comment down below if you get restless legs. But literally, if a man gives me like a backhanded compliment, that's so funny, because like, you're in cargo shorts! If inflation is real, why are Girl Scout cookies still $5? So much for your so-called economy. It's like golden hour. So beautiful. I just stopped at Whole Foods to get like little king cakes. I was gonna get like half a slice of cake or a whole cake, but literally all they had was individual slices and like a whole cake, but like you had to go up to the thing and get it. I wasn't gonna do that. And I got some snacks. Good morning. It's about 10. I've been really bad in this vlog with like aesthetic clips and everything. Hold on. And I'm about to do some reading for my class for like an hour or so. Then I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm literally so tired, but I did have coffee. I put a scoop of ice cream and I poured an espresso shot or two. That's called an affogato. And it was good. But I woke up at like 6 and I was like, how do people wake up early? It should, like, who is up at this time? Like, I mean, like, wake up, not like awake. Like if you like wake up, or if you like don't go to sleep, you know? But like if you like wake up and you're up and out at that time, it does not seem right. Hey you guys, forgot I was vlogging for a bit. I am just doing my makeup. Look how pretty, purple and green. I'm just gonna be like in my photo class critiquing photos sitting in the dark, and then also seeing Batman tonight. And I was like, I wish I could do like a Batman makeup look. Like when I saw Spider-Man No Way Home, I did this Spider-Man makeup look. So like it actually took me 5 hours to do it. It was so scary to do it. But I like just remembered, and I was like, oh my god, like I just remembered that I'm seeing Batman. Like I don't know what makeup I would do. And as I looked in the mirror, I realized this is like the Riddler. So I am doing Batman makeup. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I don't like Batman as a superhero, but all of his like villains are like my favorite characters to ever exist. Like Harley Quinn, the Joker, Catwoman's not a villain. I guess the Riddler is cool. I think Poison Ivy. I think it was it George Clooney? No, it was Michael Caine. I'm not Michael Caine. Michael Keaton. Birdman. You guys, I am running late. Not actually. I just would love extra time to like walk to my class and like before my class, but like I'm probably gonna get there like 10 minutes before my class. So I have to like run. Good thing I'm wearing sneakers. I'm wearing flat shoes today. It feels so weird, especially to drive with these shoes, which is like a dangerous thing to say. Hi you guys. Let's see if I could walk a 9-minute walk in 5 minutes. Good morning, you guys. I am exhausted. The Batman movie was so long. Let me give my little review, but I enjoyed it. However, something just felt like it was missing. I still haven't written like my full review on Letterboxd, and like halfway through it, or like I want to say like 2 hours into it, just because I'm not used to watching long movies, I was like yawning. I'm like, come on, they need to finish up the story, because it was long. Because like not because they overdid it. Like it was a really good story, and there were like so many details to it. You know, when like you're watching a superhero movie and you're like, oh, like they solved that like so quick and everything. This was like perfect. It was perfect. Like Robert Pattinson as Bruce Wayne didn't talk much, but Robert Pattinson like as Batman, I kind of didn't either, because Batman doesn't talk much, you know. I think the villain's really good. As I said, I really love Batman's villains. But then I also was like the whole premise of Batman is like, oh, Gotham's like a rundown city full of crime. And Batman, who was rich, since it's full of crime and his dad tried to fix it, they shot him. So now he's a superhero. Even in the movie, they said like, you could do like a lot more for the city. And like, I guess him fighting crime, as he says, like does a lot for the city. But like now that I think about it, like when you think about like Spider-Man, all his villains, or not all of his villains, actually like all of his villains, a lot of his villains are just like rich dudes. Like in the Spider-Man the new trilogy specifically, like the Vulture is literally like this really wealthy dude, you know, with like this fancy suit. But then all Batman's villains are poor people who have literally like, now I'm like, I don't know if I like Batman. Like that's pretty messed up. And he'll like, you know, like he just punches people to the extreme. Like damn, dude, he's literally just protecting like the rich and the wealthy. I think he's a bad guy, you guys. Hashtag Batman's canceled.
I guess they're trying to get political.
Yeah.
I almost tripped. Good morning.
有